This is how you change the favicon in Squarespace. Now, this is a very small feature on a site which appears in the tabs at the top. Even though it's such a small feature, it does add a lot to your site. When people have clicked off your website and have saved your tab, it allows people to easily jump back on, and it helps with brand recognition. It's one of those things where if you put it in there, people won't notice, but if you don't put it in there, then people are very likely to notice. And it's one of those tiny noticeable details which adds a lot to a website. So this is a step-by-step guide on how to add a favicon into your Squarespace site. So if you want to change your favicon, what you'll need to do is come over to your Squarespace website, then go to your admin area on the left-hand side. Now in the bottom left corner, you'll see a settings icon, so a little cog. So what you want to do is click on that, and then click on favicon. Now up will come two different options: a favicon for default, so that's just a normal browser, and a favicon for dark mode. Now what I like to do is I can either build this in Adobe Illustrator, or if you don't have that, use Canva. And what you can do is, as long as it's about 100 pixels either side, so a square icon, you'll be able to upload that into place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the ones I made earlier. So here's a very quick look at how these look. So I've just put these in Canva at 100 pixels by 100 pixels. I then downloaded these as transparent PNGs, and it's important for these to be transparent, otherwise you'll have a big white block behind them. Download my favicons. I am then going to upload a file, find my favicons, and then click on the relevant one. So in this case, I want a default one, so that'll be our navy version of the Pixelhaze logo. Open that, put that in place. And then I'm going to do the second favicon, which is the white one. Now for SEO purposes, it is important that we make sure that the naming conventions are correct. So in this case, it would be Pixelhaze favicon 1 or Pixelhaze favicon 2, or Pixelhaze favicon default and Pixelhaze favicon dark mode. Once I hit save, you won't see anything immediately, as the website is most definitely cached the older version of the favicon. So what we want to do is look in the top left corner here, and as you can see at the moment it's default. But if we hit Shift on the keyboard and then reload this page, what should happen is that it'll find its way, and yeah, as you can see there, the favicon has been added in. Thank you for watching, and if you need any help with building your Squarespace website, please get in touch at pixelhaze.studio.